Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine. After exam, you have taken nice break, and now we are going to start with new chapter. Okay, we have completed first 10 lessons of English Bal Bharati book. How many lessons we have completed? We have completed 10 lessons, and today we are going to start with 11th lesson. The name of our lesson is Number Song. Okay, what is name of our lesson? It is not a lesson, it is a poem actually. What is name of our poem? The name of our poem is Number Song. What is meaning by number song? Number song means what? The song of numbers in which we are going to use numbers. कोणतं गाणं ज्या गाण्यामध्ये नंबर्स असणार आहे. नंबर्स कोणते असतात? देर आर मेनी नंबर्स लाईक 1 2 3 4 5 6 करेक्ट आर नॉट 1 to 100 numbers are there. 11 then again 101 to 200 are there, like that lot of numbers are there. But then for you, for first standard, you know it very well, you have numbers from 1 to 10 1 to 100, correct? And from those numbers we have made what? We have made a song, and that song we are going to study today. What is name of our song? The name of our song is Number Song. Here it is told that you have to take out your book, page number 13 you have to remove in your book, and here it is not visible, but I can read. Do one thing, take out your English book, take out your English textbook, English Bal Bharati book, and remove your 11th chapter. It is poem, and name of poem is what? Number Song, page number 13. What you have to do? You have to take out your page number 13. In this poem here it is told that 1, 2, 3 and 4 plants the trees more and more. Okay, what is told that? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 plant the trees more and more. Okay, in now first stanza what it is told that there are 4 numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 plant the trees more and more. म्हणजे काय करायचं आहे? तुम्ही खूप सारे झाडं लावायचे ॲटलिस्ट वन्स इन अ वीक, आठवड्यात एक तरी झाड लावलं गेलं पाहिजे. ओके, नाउ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बट देन ॲटलिस्ट इन जून मंथ वी कॅन प्लांट ट्रीज. येस, नॅचरली वी कॅन प्लांट ॲटलिस्ट 5 to 6 trees every year in the June, right? We have planted this year in June, we have planted 10 to 15 new plants. So what is told that here? 1, now you can say 1, 2, 3 and 4 plant the trees more and more. The second stanza is told that 5, 6, 7, 8 plant the trees near the gate. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8 plant the trees near the gate. Now wherever entrance is there of your house, every house has some. Now actually every person is not having gate, correct? Not for that compound is required, then in between of the compound only you have gate, but then at least you have entrance. There is a road which comes in your house, right? Then what we do on the both sides of those road, what we do? We plant trees, correct? For example, here if your house is there, okay, if this is a house and there is a road which will come near the house, so what we do here? We plant trees. Why do we plant trees near the gate? Because why do we plant trees near the entrance? Because you should feel little good when you enter in somebody's house, or if you go at somebody's house. Many times it is done near the house. If there is a road, what we do? We plant the trees, and that is gate. Every house is not having gate, but then every house has trees around its surrounding. So here it is told that 5, 6, 7, 8 plant the trees near the gate. After that is 9 and 10, 9 and 10 plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. Understood? Double of 10 means what? 10 च्या डबल झाडं लावायचे. 10 चे डबल काय असतं? डबल ऑफ 10 is what? 20. Understood? So what they have told? 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees, double of 10, double of 10. Understood? डबल ऑफ 10 मीन्स वॉट, तुम्ही झाडं लावा, पण किती लावायची तुम्ही झाडं, 10 पेक्षा जास्त लावा, 10च्या डबल लावा, 10च्या डबल म्हणजे किती, 20. ओके, 20. देन हिअर इट इज टोल्ड दॅट 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees, double of 10, double of 10. Understood? So this is a poem. It is told about tree plantation. What we should do with the help of numbers, what is done with the help of numbers, when small poem or you can say small song is made with the help of numbers. Now which numbers are used in that? 1 to 10 numbers are used, correct? First number, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th and 9th and 10th. How many numbers are used? 10 numbers are used in the song. And what is said there? 1, 2, 3 and 4, plant the trees more and more. जास्त जेवढे जमतील तेवढे जास्त झाडं लावा. Okay. In second stanza it is told 5 and 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. कुठे लावा झाडं? तुमच्या घराच्या गेटला, गेटच्या समोर काय करा, तिथे झाडे लावा. का लावायची गेट समोर झाडे? तर कुणी आपल्या इथे पाहुणे आले किंवा इफ समवन गेस्ट कम्स इनसाइड युअर हाऊस, ही शुड फील व्हेरी बेटर. करेक्ट? गेटपाशी जर सुंदर सुंदर शोची झाडे असतील आणि कलरफुल त्याला फ्लावर्स असतील, राईट, इट विल लुक सो ब्युटिफुल. करेक्ट ऑर नॉट? If small what we call from nursery, if will bring show plants and those plants are getting nice wonderful red color flowers, yellow color flowers, pink color flowers, more which colors are there, some blue color flowers, then whoever guest will come inside, he will feel so nice. When you will come near the entrance, that time only what guest will say, oh my god, what a beautiful plants are planted near the gate. So here it is told that 5, 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees, double of 10, double of 10. 10 cha double. What is double of 10? Double of 10 is 20. Have you understood poem? In this way we have studied what? We have studied number song. Okay, you have to repeat B and me. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees, double of 10, double of 10. Understood? In this way what you have done, you have to do, you have to sing the poem, you have to listen. You have already listened my voice. What you have to do, you have to listen, and then after that you have to sing, and then you have to repeat the poem. You have to learn. Please learn it. It is very easy. Okay, and after that you have to do one thing. There is a question. Write the number names from the song. Your question is given. Write the number names from the song. One is done for you. Number names you have to do. Already one is done. Question number second one. Write the number names from the song. Now what number names are given here? First one is already done, 1. Then what you have to do? Second one you have to write down 2. Third one you have to write down 3. Like that till 10 you have to write down numbers. And then third question is given here is count and write. What is third question? Question number 3 is given. Count and write. Now the first one is told to you, already one is given. 3 balls are there and you have to count how many are there. 1, 2, 3. Then write down answer front side. THREE 3. Understood? Second one is given of parrot. How many parrots are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parrots are given, so write down answer of second. Put dash front side and write down FIVE 5. Understood? After that it is ice creams are given. How many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ice creams are there, so write down third answer 6. Have you understood? In this way you have to complete. First question was what? Listen, sing and repeat. What? Poem. Second question is what? Second one is write the number names. You have to write down 1 to 10. And question number 3, you have to count how many things are there. You have to count 1, 2, 3. Then write down 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then write down 6. Understood? You have to complete page number 13. पेज नंबर 13 ची पोएम पण पाठ करायची आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पण कंप्लीट करायचं आहे आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पण कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. ओके. अँड यू हॅव टू ओपन युअर इंग्लिश बालभारती वर्कबुक ऑल्सो. काय करायचं आहे त्याच्यासोबत वर्कबुक पण काढायचं तुमचं. पेज नंबर वर्कबुकचं पेज नंबर किती आहे 22. वर्कबुकचं पेज नंबर काय आहे 22. ओके. अँड सेम क्वेश्चन्स आहेत वर्कबुकमध्ये, फक्त वर्कबुकमध्ये पिक्चर्स वेगळे दिलेले आहेत. हाऊ मेनी बॉल्स आर देअर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 बॉल्स आर देअर. देन राईट डाऊन 7. पॅरेट, हाऊ मेनी पॅरेट्स आर देअर 7. देन राईट डाऊन 7. काउंट करायचं आणि बुकमध्ये पण कंप्लीट करायचं आहे आणि वर्कबुकमध्ये पण कंप्लीट करायचं आहे होमवर्क आणि व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपला पाठवायचं आहे. ओके. थँक्यू.